And that's where they're at in Iowa.
Mhm.
That was a picture.
That was where they're.
Okay. That was the inside. This is the devastation.
Wow.
So these are trailers that are beside it. Look at this thing, how it's intact. It just fell over.
Wow.
The roof's still on it on this side.
I see the triangle right there.
Yeah. It just fell over. Now, if we had it tied down, it may not have even fallen over. I don't know, but it stayed complete. It didn't collapse. It didn't crush. Look at all this over here, all this debris.
Wow.
Is that not cool?
And what size were they?
Down to 18.
Down about 18.
Here's the inside. So everything's, let's see, how's that? God, it's crazy. Yeah. So here's the inside. It was turned over. The wall, look at the walls, the windows, the doors. Everything is still straight up and down, man.
Mm-hmm.
So it's still...
The cabinet's still there, the countertop.
Stout, and it turned over.
Wow.
Okay. Then we got, look at that.
Oh my God.
That's an incredible tiny home floating in a river. Is that the Mississippi?
River.
That's a Mississippi. It's going down. I always wanted a pontoon boat.
Wow.
With
Is
two
that not
ladies and a
something?
dog inside.
So think about it. So there's 2 ladies and a dog in here. Minna, that didn't drown. It was like floating.
They
And
had to be scared
he
to
tied
death.
he tied a 50-foot garden hose to himself, swam out there, and rescued them.
Wow.
So this being intact, it didn't collapse on him. The roof didn't, look, the roof, everything's on it. It was picked up from the shoreline and then dumped in the